Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to uninstall ABC app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So here you can see the ABC method. It's like ABC app. So for example I will just here I will click search for ABC here. Okay, so here I can see ABC app. If it shows here like install, you have to click on the uninstall button and then click on the uninstall. Okay, we'll just open it here. Okay, so here as you can see, just have to wait here. Okay, so if it shows install here, then you have to click on the uninstall button. Then here a phone will ask you that do you want to really install this app. Then you have to click on the uninstall button and it will be uninstalled. So by this way you can just uninstall your ABC app, and if you want to see the rating, you can rate from here as well. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.